Hey ocean explorers, welcome to True Dogs Media, the place where even the craziest mysteries of nature come alive. If you love strange creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Otherwise, a narwhal might poke you with its magical tusk while you are sleeping. Let's dive right in. Imagine a world under thick sheets of ice where sunlight barely touches the deep, frozen waters. A world so silent, so untouched, it feels like stepping into another universe. It's here in the remote parts of the Arctic Ocean that a legendary creature swims, the narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. The narwhal is a member of the whale family closely related to belugas. But what set them apart is something no other animals on earth has. A tusk that grows from the middle of their heads, like something straight out of a fairy tale. These tusks can be grow up to 10 feet long and has captured human imagination for centuries. But here's the twist. The tusk is not a horn at all. It's actually a giant tooth that brushed through the narwhal upper lip, twisting in a perfect spiral, and it's mostly the male who grow this tusk, though some females do too. In medieval Europe, narwhal tusks were once worth more than gold. Vikings and other northern traders sold them to kings and queens, claiming they were the horns of real unicorns. Royal families believed the tusks could detect poison, and goblets carved from them were highly prized. For centuries, people believed narwhals were mythical beasts. It was not until explorers ventured into the Arctic that the truth behind this so-called unicorn was revealed. You might think the narwhal used its tusk as a weapon, like a sword, to fight rivals. But research shows something even more fascinating. The tusk is packed with millions of nerve endings. It's like a giant sensor, helping the narwhal taste the salinity, temperature and pressure of the water around them. It's one of the most sensitive teeth in the animal kingdom. Sometimes narwhals can be seen rubbing their tusks together in a behavior called tusking. But scientists are still trying to fully understand this strange behavior. Is it a way of sharing information, a greeting, a friendly duel? The Arctic keeps its secret close. Life in the Arctic is harsh. Narwhals spend their lives dogging predators like polar bears, killer whales, and even humans. They navigate under vast sheets of sea ice, surfacing only at small openings called leads or polynyes to breathe. They dive deep, sometimes more than 1,500 meters, and can stay underwater for up to 25 minutes at a time. They feed on fish, squid, and shrimp using sound waves to find their prey in the pitch black waters. Sadly, the narwhal's icy home is melting. Global warming is causing Arctic sea ice to disappear at an alarming rate, making it harder for narwhals to survive. New shipping routes, oil drilling, and increased noise pollution are also disrupting their fragile environment. The narwhal population is currently estimated at around 75,000, but conservationists warn that without urgent action, these magical creatures could one day vanish from our planet. Narwhals are more than just a curiosity, they are indicators of the health of the Arctic ecosystem. Protecting them means protecting an entire frozen world that is vital for the Earth's climate. Every time a narwhal dives surface and sings its mysterious song beneath the ice, it reminds us that nature is full of wonders, magic, and beauty. So, next time you hear someone say unicorns are not real, just show them a narwhal. Thanks for joining us on the chilly adventure today. If you enjoyed discovering the secret of the sea unicorn, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share True Dogs Media with your friends because here the unbelievable becomes reality. Thank you.